Hello. Today I'm going to show you a Christmas tree, an artificial Christmas tree by SALCAR. It is a Christmas tree. It is an artificial premium high-end Xmas tree with metal stand for indoor and I think for outdoor use. It is 210 centimeters. This around, I think, 7 feet, say 7.5 feet. But you can also order this Christmas tree in a different size of shape. Not the shape. The height is different. If you can choose 5 feet, 4 feet, 7 feet, and I think it's 8 or 9 feet available too. But in this case, I ordered the 7 feet Christmas tree, 210 centimeters, 2 meters point 1. So yes, it is 7 feet tall, and it looks like really. I will show this later in this video. I like it really much. It makes a free full body. It has 3 types of body. You do not have to assemble it each stick by stick, because it has a functional, what is awesome. You have only 3 parts inside this box, and then you have to put them together. But first you have to assemble this metal stand, of course. But it's really easy. The metal stand has 2 parts. You have slide them 90 degrees, and then you can use 3 screws to protect the Christmas tree inside this stand. Really easy. After this, you have the bottom part, dock it into the metal stand. Then you can place the middle area of this tree over the bottom unit, and then only thing you have to do is put the top part on top of the tree. Easy as an artificial premium Christmas tree. Oh yeah, it's really easy. After this, you have to you can start with the decoration thing. But first, you have to decorate and unflat a little bit the leaves of your artificial Xmas tree. Really easy. It is so easy. It has a high stability, and it's safe. It's really safe. You can use it for indoor and I think for outdoor, because it is made of PVC materials, and it improves the waterproofing performance, and the metal stand provides a sufficient balance to make the tree stay straight in a medium wind. Okay, but I think the mechanic under it or on it is really awesome. In the past, I ordered an artificial Xmas tree, and this was really much work. Each stick I have to place with a color code, has to match, and then I have to get it in position and build area to area. In this case, only 3 parts, job's done, plus the metal stand. You have a really good metal stand instead of the plastic to improve the safety and the stability. You do not need to worry about anything, because their needles will stay on the tree. This tree needs no water, and you can recycle it season by season. That means you can protect the earth a little bit, because you can recycle this tree over a decade. No problem. Or longer. If you buy every year one natural tree, The natural tree has to build on a farm, and this will cost 10 years until the tree is in a size for Xmas tree. And this do not need a farmer, this do not need water, and so I think it's a good thing to have a Xmas tree. What is a Xmas tree? Oh, I like Xmas tree really much. You will like them too. I think so. I, das Xmas tree is a decorated tree, usually an evergreen conifer, such as a spruce, a pine, or a fir, or an artificial tree like this of a similar appearance, associated with the celebration of Christmas, originating in Northern Europe. The custom was developed in medieval Livonia, present-day Estonia and Latvia, and in the early modern Germany, where Protestant Germans brought decorated tree into their homes. It has acquired popularity beyond the Lutheran areas of Germany and the Baltic countries during the second half of the 19th century, at first among the upper classes. The tree was traditionally decorated with roses made of colored paper, apples, wafers, tinsels, sweetmeats, etc. In the 18th century, it began to be illuminated by candles, which were ultimately replaced by Christmas lights after the advent of electrifications. And now, in this year, we will get LED spots on it and so many nice decoration things. But you can decorate it as you like. There's no boundaries for your decoration skill. And this is an artificial tree. That means it is a tree. It is made of an artificial pine or a fir tree, manufactured for the specific purpose of use as a Christmas tree too. The earliest artificial Christmas trees were wooden, tree-shaped pyramids or feather trees, both developed by Germans. Most modern trees are made of polyvinyl chloride, PVC, like this tree. But many other types of trees have been and are available now, including aluminium Christmas tree and fiber optic illuminated Christmas tree. But this is the good old standard PVC Christmas tree with so nice green color. It's so colorful and it is a good green. And the needles, if you touch them, they do not spike you. It is really awesome and it's easy to assemble, as you can see, and it looks beautiful. And so, let the Christmas time begin. Let's decorate your Christmas tree at home and let's have fun with it. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and I hope to see you again on my channel. And Merry Christmas out there. Soon.